Hello children, good morning. I am your Hatasvi teacher from St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn our SS subject. We were learning our unit number 9. Name of our unit is Ancient Towns. Today's our first topic is underground drainage system. In the Harappan cities, there was a well-developed sewage system. Means, in Harappan city, there were well-developed sewage system. Sewage system means the way which the dirts go. The streets had several drains covered with large brick slabs running alongside. This line or this sentence example you can see in this picture means thus every street had the sewer drain covered with bricks on both the sides. Since they were covered, there were holes at regular intervals for cleaning. As we know today, as we can see that there are some holes are there in at different intervals or at different distances. Since they were covered for cleaning there were holes. Drains from bathrooms and streets were connected through small pipes to the sewers under the main street. Means the drains or the dirts from bathroom and the streets they were passed or they were connected with small pipes to the sewers under the main street. Means where there is main street they were connected with small pipes. Our next topic is public buildings. Many remains were found during the excavation of the Indus Valley civilization, some of which include the remains of public buildings. Means many remains were found during the excavation in the Indus Valley civilization. In that, public building is also included in that remains. A massive structure found at Mohenjo-daro was the town hall, which were probably used as an auditorium, a prayer hall, a civic center, or an administrative office. Means massive means large. A large structure of Mohenjo-daro was the town hall, which were used as the prayer hall, auditorium, civic center, or an administrative office. Archaeologists have also found a granary at Harappan. Means granary means to store something, the place where we can store something. Archaeologists have found a granary at Harappa. It stood on a raised platform and was thus protected from floods. Means they were raised platform means they were upside, so when floods come the water do not come inside that place. It was divided into different storage blocks. Means they were divided into different blocks or a storage blocks. It is possible that the grains collected from the peasant as a land tax was stored here. Means for example, there is one farmer. He had taken a land on rent, but he is not able to give the rent. Then the owner will take some grains from that farmer as a land tax. So that grains which were taken as a tax were stored in that place. During the excavation, a large bolong structure was earthened at a Mohenjo-daro, and archaeologists call it the Great Bath. Means unhutted means to hide something or to dig something. During the excavations, the archaeologists means historians also found that structure which the people were used to dig or hide the grains or something else, and the archaeologists called them the Great Bath. Our next topic is food habits. Many similarities are seen in the food habits and lifestyle of the people of the various ancient towns. Means many similarities were found in food habits and lifestyle of the people of various ancient towns. Means in different towns many similarities were found in food habits and lifestyle. A number of crops were cultivated like cereals like wheat and barley, pulses, oilseeds like mustard and sesame, and millets like bajra, ragi, and jowar. Means many number of crops is in which cereals like wheat and barley, pulses, then oilseeds like mustard and sesame, and millets like bajra, ragi, and jowar. Remains of these crops have been found from the excavated sites. Means the remains of these crops means some crops were remain at that time that were found from the excavated sites. We do not found much evidence of the cultivation of rice. Means the historians or we do not find much evidence of rice. Means rice were cultivated less at that time. Fish, meat, milk, and fruits were also a part of the diet. Means during that time fish, meat, milk, date, and fruits were also the part of the diet or their food. People also domesticated animals such as bullocks, goats, dogs, sheep, pigs, and asses. Means the people were keeping the animals as a domestic. People were keeping domestic animals like buffaloes, goats, dogs, sheep, pigs, and asses. The humped camel, bison, rhinoceros, tiger, and the elephants were known to them as they are seen in many fields. Means they also know or there were many humped camels or they know the such animals like humped camel, bison, rhinoceros, tigers, and the elephant because we can see these animals in the fields. This is the proof that the people were knowing these animals also. Now our next topic is economic life. Through a large number of people lived in towns, they needed to be supplied with food. So farmers cultivated many crops on the outskirts of the city. Means in one town there are many people living in the same town. So they needed to supply the food to the people. So farmers were cultivating so many foods on outside that town or the city. In Kalibangan in Rajasthan, furious were found during excavation. Furrows means which we have the things which happen which we have expected. They might have grown wheat and barley which were ground to make flour. Means they archaeologists have expected that they were growing wheat and barley, which were ground to make flour. Means for making flour they were growing wheat and barley. They might have also grown pulses and sesame. They have expected that they might have grown pulses and sesame. Some remains of irrigation canals were also found in Afghanistan. Means the irrigation canals were also found in Afghanistan as a remains. Beside canals, water from wells was also used for irrigation. Means except the canals for water for irrigation, the people were using well for irrigation. Ponds were used for the very same purpose in Dholavira. Means in Dholavira, for irrigation people were using the water of ponds. Besides agriculture, probably the most popular occupation was pot making. Means except the agriculture, most of the people they were popular for making pot. A variety of pots, both plain and decorated, have been found. Means there were many varieties were found in pot, like plain and decorated. Many pots were painted red with design in black, suggesting geometric patterns. Means on many pots, the pots were painted with red colors, and in that they had drawn the different designs with black color, which shows the geometric patterns. Hindus people alloyed copper and tin to make bronze, which was more malleable and stronger than copper. Means Hindus people uses copper and tin to make bronze, and which were more strong than copper. Knives, axes, and chisels were made of stone. Means knives, axes, and chisels were made from the stone. Lothal was an important trading center. Means the main trading center of this all were Lothal. A dockyard found at Lothal testifies to the fact that it played an important role in overseas trade as well. Means the dockyard means godown, which was found in the Lothal, that is the evidence that it had played an important role for the trade center. So dear children, the rest of the unit we will see in our next video. Thank you.